Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make 12-volt battery pack. Here you can see that there is 12-volt battery pack. To make 12-volt battery pack, I used 9 lithium-ion battery cells. Here you can see that 18650 lithium-ion battery cells. I used 40 ampere BMS. Each pair consists of 3 cells. Here you can see that there is 3 cells I connect in series. There is 3 lithium ion battery cell. There is another pair and then I connect in series. There is 0 volt wire connect. There is 4 volt wire connect. There is 8 volt and there is 12 volt. Here is 12 volt battery, 12 volt light for testing. There is negative wire. And there is positive wire of light. Here you can see that power of this light. Dear friend, if you like my this video, then like and subscribe. Drop any comment about this video. Dear friend, there is another light for testing. Dear friend, if you wanna make a 12 volt battery pack, connect in series, 3 pair connect in series, positive, negative, then positive, negative. There is 0 volt wire and there is 12 volt wire. There is my battery management system. 0 volt. There is 4 volt wire. There is 8 volt wire and there is 12 volt wire. I used 40 ampere BMS. So friends, that's all about from my this video. If you like my this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. I will use this battery for my next project. So that's all about from my this video. Have a great day.